News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria and with me is Abhishek.
Today, we will be discussing about some vacancies in Hemwati Nandan Bahuguna Garhwal University, Department of Official Language, Ministry of Home Affairs and Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited. But before that, let's listen to an interview that was taken by AIR correspondent Pragya Devra.
Today, let's find out that if you want to pursue a career in finance, what are the kinds of job opportunities that are available? For this, we have with us Professor M. Jayadev, Faculty for Finance and Accounting in Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. He is also the Chair, Center for Capital Markets and Risk Management. Professor, could you give us an overview as to the career opportunities that are available in the field of finance?
Finance of multiple opportunities. We can divide it into 4-5 broad categories. Number 1, stock market opportunities. Number 2, in the area of commercial banking. Number 3, other type of the financial services. And 4 is insurance. So these are the 4 broad categories of the opportunities available in the area of finance. So the jobs available can be financial analyst, investment bank analyst, or risk management professional, or in stock market analyst, equity analyst, or a trader. So various types of the positions are being offered by different type of the firms working in these 4 areas.
So what are the various ways through which someone can pursue this career? Is it an MBA? Is it commerce background with a bachelor's undergraduate degree?
In any case, entry is undergraduate degree is essential, but commerce is desirable, not very essential. Actually, because of technology and because of application of analytics in all these areas, it would be good for any person is interested in knowing the application of analytics techniques or computer programming. Now in the advanced stage, many are using programs like Python or programming. So certainly some programming code, the knowledge about those computer programming is available, then that would be great. Second is, of course, mathematical, statistical understanding is also required when they are going for the computer programming. At least some basic statistics like standard deviation, averages, and regression analysis and those type of the skills. Because today these skills are coming from multiple courses. But ultimately what skills the candidate is having is more important than specifically what type of the course they have pursued. So even if they have not studied also, they can study and they can take some online course and certification out of that. That is helpful for developing interest in these fields.
Could you also tell us, for someone who wants to pursue a career, what are the positives and challenges in these fields?
Information is continuously changing and flowing. So people should be having aptitude for what is happening in the financial markets. Simply taking instructions from the boss and application of those things and doing a job in limited number of hours is not sufficient for a finance person. They have to scan what is happening in the markets. Both our in domestic markets as well as the markets abroad, they strongly influence the stock market, they influence the mutual funds, they influence various other type of financial markets and financial intermediaries or financial institutions like banks. So continuous update is required, that they should refer continuously what is RBI is doing, what newspapers are talking about it, what financial analysts are talking about it. That is very essential to progress in this career.
Thank you, Professor Jayadev, for giving us an overview about the various kinds of jobs that are available in the field of finance and also telling us the various skill sets that are required, such as being up to date and knowing about math, statistics and the various computer applications. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Now, let's move to the next segment where we tell you about some of the recruitment vacancies that have been advertised and matters connected to it.
With reference to advertisement dated 12th February 2020, fresh online applications are invited from eligible and highly motivated candidates with proven track record of competence and success for the following non-teaching post on regular/tenure/deputation basis in Hemwati Nandan Bahuguna Garhwal University. One post of registrar, 1 post of Finance Officer, 1 post of Controller of Examinations, 1 post of Internal Audit Officer, 1 post of Hindi Officer. Candidates already applied against earlier advertisement dated 12th February 2020 need not to apply again. However, such candidates shall submit hard copy of updated biodata clearly mentioning earlier registration number on SAMARTH recruitment portal by last date of submission. The last date to apply online is 23rd October 2020 Friday. The last date for submission of hard copy is 30th October 2020 Friday before 4 p.m. For details, visit university website www.hnbgu.ac.in and nbgunt.samarth.edu.in.
Department of Official Language, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India invites applications for filling up 1 post of Assistant Director Implementation on deputation basis. The last date of receipt of application shall be 60 days from date of publication of this notice. Details regarding eligibility criteria, duties and responsibilities attached to the post, application form and other relevant information can be downloaded from official website of the Department of Official Language, that is www.rajbhasha.gov.in.
Garden Reed Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited is one of the premier defence shipyards and Mini Ratna Category 1 company. It is effectively contributing to the defence preparedness of the country by building different sophisticated and state-of-the-art warships. The company invites applications from qualified, talented and energetic Indian nationals for the post of supervisors on fixed-term contract basis and officers in various grades. 3 posts of Supervisor Admin and HR, 1 post of Supervisor Finance, 4 posts of Supervisor Pharmacy, 3 posts of Supervisor Security, 1 post of Supervisor Naval Architecture, 5 posts of Supervisor Mechanical, 3 posts of Supervisor Electrical, 3 posts of Supervisor Civil, 1 post of Supervisor Computer Science or IT, 4 posts of Design Supervisor Mechanical, 3 posts of Design Supervisor Electrical, 1 post of Design Supervisor Electronics, 4 posts of Design Supervisor Civil. Vacancies for recruitment of officers are as follows: 1 post of Deputy General Manager Technical, 1 post of Deputy General Manager Technical IT, 1 post of Deputy General Manager Technical Bailey Bridge, 1 post of Deputy General Manager Technical IT, 2 posts of Deputy Manager Medical, 1 post of Deputy Manager Finance, 1 post of Deputy Manager Technical, 1 post of Assistant Manager Company Secretary. Opening date for online registration is 30th September 2020. Closing date for online registration is 20th October 2020. The details like general conditions, qualification, eligibility, selection process, how to apply, etc. are available in career section of Garden Reed Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited website www.grse.in or jobapply.in/GRSE2020. Any addendum or corrigendum will be published in GRSE website only.
Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting every week on Saturday.
With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.